In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FAQ section in Elementor. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll have a clean, interactive FAQ area that your visitors can easily use. First, open any page with the Elementor editor. This can be an existing page or a new one you've just created in WordPress. Once the editor loads, you'll see your page in the main preview area on the right, and on the left, you'll see the Elementor panel with all the available widgets. In that left panel, scroll or use the search bar to find the accordion and toggle widgets. Both of these can be used to build an FAQ section. In this tutorial, we'll use the toggle widget. Click and drag the toggle widget into the section of the page where you want your FAQs to appear. As soon as you drop it in, you'll see some default toggles appear in the preview, and their settings will show up in the left panel. Make sure you're on the Content tab. By default, you'll see two toggle items already created. If you want to remove one, hover over it and click the X icon on the right. If you want to add a new FAQ item, click the Add Item button at the bottom of the list. To duplicate an existing toggle, use the duplicate icon on the right side of that item, which is handy if you want to keep the same formatting. Now, to add your actual FAQs, click on a toggle item in the list to expand its settings. You'll see a title field and a content field. In the title field, type your question. In the content field, type the answer. This field supports rich text, so you can use line breaks, bold, links, and other formatting if needed. Repeat this process for each question and answer you want in your FAQ section. Still under the Content tab, you can also change the icon and the active icon that appear next to each question. Choose the title HTML tag for better SEO structure, and enable FAQ schema if that option is available in your setup. Next, switch to the Style tab to make your FAQ match your site's design. Here you'll find controls for the overall toggle, the title, the icon, and the content. Adjust colors, typography, spacing, borders, and more until you're happy with how it looks. For more advanced control, go to the Advanced tab. This is where you can fine-tune layout, add motion effects, apply transforms, backgrounds, borders, masks, responsive settings, attributes, and custom CSS if you're comfortable with code. When you're done configuring everything, use the preview to test your FAQ. Click the toggles to open and close them, and make sure the questions, answers, and animations behave the way you expect. Finally, once you're satisfied with the results, go to the top right of the Elementor editor and click Update if it's an existing page, or Publish if it's new. Your FAQ section is now live on your site and ready for your visitors to use.